How to show your YouTube channel in search. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's start by talking about YouTube channel settings. So once you're in your settings, so let me show you how you can access it. Simply open up your YouTube studio and click on these settings. Once you are in your settings, you have to simply go for this channel, and in the keyword section make sure to enter all the keywords related to your channel name. So let's say my channel name is free videos, so I will simply type free video one time and separate one time again. So after that my channel will gonna rank at least in the top 20 or top 30. So once you're done with that, you have to move to the step number 2, which is search engine optimization. So for that you have to open every video, or let's say you are uploading in bulk, so you have to make sure that you are entering the tags in your video related to your channel name. So in my case, free videos again, and free and video separate one time. After that I have to type that title again. So once you're done with that, you have to simply upload it and see if your video is ranking or not. And the third thing is that if you have a channel volume like 0 subscribers or a very low viewership, your channel of course not gonna rank in the top place, especially if you have a competitor with the same name and same category. You are not gonna rank in that search bar. So channel volume at the end will gonna define if your channel is gonna rank in the top place or not. So this is how to show YouTube channel in your search bar.